Okay, so yesterday, girls, we just get my board put up here. So yesterday we did page 236, right? Okay, and we talked about the reporter, what a reporter does, and then you guys had the options to pick option 1, option 2, or option 3 as far as what you would write a news article on, right? Yeah, remember? Okay. All right. So option 1 was a story from the workshop. You can write an article about a story from the workshop. Option 2 was a story in our school. Option 3 could be any other news story. What current news story do you want to report on? So I know there's been like a ton of, the tornado damage in the Midwest. You could write an article about that. You could write an article about the upcoming weather. Okay. You could write an article about what you did last night, whatever. Okay. So then you guys filled out a powerful headline blank. What does a powerful headline do? Go ahead. Catches the reader's attention. Okay. All right. The byline does what? What's the byline do? The byline, that's the part that tells like the reporter's name and when it was written. Okay, good. Yep. Okay, and then the elements of a news summary are a sentence that, what? What'd you guys put there? A sentence that, so the elements of a news summary are a sentence that, okay, yeah, makes a person want to read it more, or a sentence that introduces the topic, okay, an important detail that is important to the story or makes people want to keep reading, okay? All right, now we're looking at page 237 today. Okay, so you're going to plan and write. Okay, so career connections. Gwen, I feel always wanted to report the news. If reporting interests you, you may want to consider one of these related career options. Do any of you think that that would be a cool career? Reporting the news? I think it'd be all right. I wouldn't mind it. Depends on the news. That would be tough. Yeah, that would be tough. Okay, so it depends on what, for me, I think it'd be awesome to be like a sports journalist. I think that'd be fun to go to games and write about the game, be kind of cool. Um, I think it'd be cool to be, there's a lot of different types of journalists. This lady, she was a journalist that covered like the president, right? And what he was doing. Okay, it might be kind of cool. I've seen really interesting like movies about the war, uh, about different wars, and sometimes there would be soldiers who would go, and that would be their job, would be to just be the journalist and to write about it and give information about it. Okay. All right here where it says number 3, plan and write. Now you want to organize information into your summary. These questions and tips will help you. What is the most important information about the event? Identify the most important details and take notes. Okay, then the next bullet point, are you missing information? You may need to reread the workshop text or talk to someone who knows about the news story. Okay, then what makes the story particularly interesting? Think about how you might craft a headline that is descriptive, informative, and uses attention-grabbing million-dollar words. Okay? Write your headline, byline, and summary. Okay, then you're going to revise and present. Share your news summary with a partner, then revise based on your partner's feedback. The headline grabs the reader's attention. Okay, that's a check mark. The first sentence tells what the story is mostly about. Okay, yes or no? The summary includes a compelling detail that makes the reader want to read the full story. Okay, then it says go live. Reporters often go live to preview a news story. Here are some tips about how to read and speak like a TV news reporter. So number 1, you've got to practice, right? Yes. Go ahead. Yes. Next is keep a friendly expression. 3, make eye contact. 4, show a photo of a key person or event. Okay. All right. So I want you girls to go ahead. You're going to write your article right here. Okay. Your headline by blank, and then you're going to write the summary. Okay. Make sure that the first sentence is catchy, right? And then give good details. All right. You guys good? All good right there? Okay, that's what we'll do for today, and then I'll have a spot for you to turn in page 237. All good? Okay.